Hello there everyone, I hope you enjoy our previous videos about well-known MEV trades, such as atomic arbitrage, sandwich trading, and liquidation, among others. Moving on, let's take a closer look at a non-atomic arbitrage transaction involving non-fungible token, NFT, which has been garnering a lot of attention in the crypto industry since it went viral in March 2020. NFTs are relatively less standardized and illiquid compared to other assets. Users will often place buy and sell orders for the same NFT across multiple trading platforms, waiting for them to be filled. In these fragmented markets, smart and diligent bots can sometimes discover lucrative arbitrage opportunities. One common technique for NFT arbitrage involves a bot that executes several transactions as part of the process. However, EigenTX can help you see it clearly. By leveraging Flashbots, MEV bots conducting non-atomic trades can send multiple transactions bundled together to the builder. This bundling ensures that the order of the transactions remains intact during the trading process. You can use EigenTX's Flashbots bundle exhibition feature to locate each set of bundles. For example, a detailed example of NFT arbitrage is available in the second set of bundles located at block height 16745,918. Let's analyze the transactions related to a specific NFT trade together. Like we mentioned in our previous video, you can view those transactions separately by typing their unique hashes into EigenTX's search box, or view them as a comprehensive picture by using the multi-TXS in one chart feature. Remember, uppercase letters symbolize transactions and show the order in which they occur. In the middle of the whole chart is the bot, or the from address. On each sides are the seller and the buyer. Blur Exchange is a popular NFT marketplace. The leaf address is the fee collector for Babydoge. In short, the transaction A is the process that the bot bought an NFT, the transaction B is the process of selling it, and the transaction C is tipping the Flashbots, who provide bundling service to ensure the success of the transaction. In transaction A, the from address bought an NFT Babydoge at Blur Exchange for 0.0944 ETH in step A0. Then, Blur Exchange transferred 0.0005 ETH to the NFT fee collector and 0.0939 ETH to the NFT seller in steps A1 to A2. It triggered the NFT transfer to the from address at the end of transaction A in step A3. In transaction B, the from address sold the NFT bought in transaction A to another buyer. The buyer received the NFT from the bot in step B0, then transferred 0.0006 ETH to the fee collector and 0.1164 WETH to the from address in steps B1 and B2. Overall, EigenTX is a helpful tool for gaining insight into the details of NFT trades and transactions on the blockchain. Try out this EigenTX extension for an enhanced understanding of DeFi processes. We'll catch you in our next video where we'll explore arbitrage on synthetic tokens. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow EigenFi. May EigenFi accompany you on your DeFi journey.